What's going on, guys? We're here with Connor Toor from Toor Knives. Dude, good to see you guys.
Good to see you.
Good to see you in a booth.
First year.
You guys are killing it. Absolutely killing it. And we're going to talk about some new stuff that you guys have got going on. First and foremost, this Patriot Series is gorgeous. Tell us about that.
Perfect for summertime.
Yeah.
Right? A little PBR action. So what we do at Toor is we do seasonal drops. We do 4 every year. First year doing it. This is our second seasonal drop. So for the summertime, we wanted to do something patriotic, 4th of July themed, something that really represents the brand being made in the USA. So we did 3 blades. We did shirts, hats, stickers, everything. But the biggest thing that you'll notice on these blades, which is cool, is on all these limited edition blades, we do custom artwork for the engraving. So there's like a Screaming Eagle on there, original artwork. And it's limited just to this batch. We'll never make these blades again. In addition, we did light gray for the handles, kind of to represent the red, white, and blue. So it doesn't get too dirty.
Right.
And then the liners, red and blue, kind of capping the whole theme. So this is our Valor blade. It's the biggest in the series.
That is beautiful.
And then a brand new texture on the Valor as well.
Oh, yeah.
And of course, we couldn't leave the Serpent out. This is all-time bestseller right here, man. This is. I mean, we can't make enough of these. So only a few of those, and then we've got the mullet,
Yes.
which I know you like because you used to have a mullet. But
oh yeah.
We got the mullet, breacher ball on the back, carbide ball for breaking windows or breaching, but really just an all-around good everyday knife.
Yeah.
So perfect for summertime. Great series, themed out. We've got shirts, hats, everything.
One question too. I mean, these are all 3 models that you guys have made before, but obviously with some special editions here. So, is the different handles, is that adding any thickness to those?
It is, yeah. So these ones in particular, we've had a lot of feedback. Some people prefer thicker handles.
Right.
If you have a bigger hand, these are the blades for you. The reason we made them thicker is because we wanted to add that second liner, so that second color, and it adds a lot of thickness to the handle, but not too much, right? It's still rounded over. It feels nice, but it's a big knife.
This one right here, the ergonomics of that, it feels so good in the hand. It's so secure, especially with that coming out the back end there.
Right.
That is fantastic. Now, I know it's early yet, but hunting season is coming, and a lot of people are making preparations. You guys have got some cool new hunting knives, too, here.
That's right, yeah. So we did a collaboration with Forlow. It's a hunting gear apparel company, good friend of mine. Real technical apparel, really high-end stuff, American-made apparel. So we wanted to collaborate with them because we felt like the brands aligned really well. And I met with the owner, Andy. We went out on a hunt, and he really showed me like the necessary things you needed in a field dressing knife. So one of them was something that's really light, so you can pack in, pack out, but not sacrifice the quality of the blade where maybe you lose the tip because it's brittle. These blades are just under an 1/8 inch thick. So, and as you can imagine, with only that much steel, it's only a few ounces, this blade.
Right.
So,
I mean, I would be willing to say that's probably in the realm of like 2.5 ounces, somewhere in there.
It's close.
Like, it's insanely lightweight.
And it comes with a Kydex sheath, so again, it's super light setup. And then the gut hook. A gut hook is obviously personal preference. I've used gut hooks before and prefer them. Some people like to use the tip where they just put their finger and they come back along the hide. Yep. But gut hooks are quick, man. They're fast and they're easy.
So what kind of blade steel are we talking on this one?
This one is CPM 3V.
Oh yeah.
So it's coated, so it's corrosion resistant, which is nice. But it gives it a nice hard edge, so you can resharpen it in the field.
And these are going to be great for, especially hunting out west, if you're packing out and you're doing several miles.
Right.
Because you want to, ounces equal pounds. And once you're moving that much, and you've already got to carry your rifle, you've already got to carry your ammunition. If you're bow hunting, you've got a lot more even then.
Right.
So you're talking about a lot of weight that you're adding, and this is not going to add that much more. And it's going to be super useful once you get out there and you need to take that thing down.
Real
So
slim too, so it fits in the pack almost anywhere.
that is fantastic. So what's the price point on this one coming in?
These ones are 250.
250.
Yep.
And let's go down the line on these.
350, 295, 295.
Nice.
I believe.
That's
I believe it's
fantastic.
295. Yep.
There we go. Connor, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. And congratulations on having a booth this year.
All right.
You guys are killing it. and
Thank
we
you.
love
Thank you.
Guys.